The Oklahoma State Department of Health is teaming up with local organizations to spread awareness about World AIDS Day.
News 9's Anjelicia Bruton is here with how folks are encouraging others to learn more about their status.
The Oklahoma State Health Department says Oklahoma is one of 7 states that has been identified with the highest rural burden of HIV.
So when people contract HIV, they may not be able to get to a doctor to get seen in a convenient time frame.
OSDH says they're working to combat this. December 1st is World AIDS Day.
Since the early 80s, when HIV first was identified, there have been about 80 million people worldwide have contracted the virus, and about 40 million have died.
A day to support those living with HIV and those who have lost their life. With the help of groups like local sorority chapters, they're encouraging others to know their status.
I will say I am everyone to get tested, to know your status. I can't tell you enough why it's so important. Again, just knowing your status is the first step.
Theodore Noel with Guiding Right says World AIDS Day is just to kick off their efforts to educate the community on the importance of AIDS education and address any misconceptions.
Well, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends individuals between 13 and 64 get tested at least on an annual basis. Obviously, if folks are having multiple sexual partners, it's probably prudent that they get tested more than once a year.
OSDH says there are plenty of opportunities for free HIV screenings and preventative health care throughout the state. You can find information on that in this story on the News 9 app. In the newsroom, Anjelicia Bruton, Oklahoma's Own News 9.